Namaste. This is Saudamini studying in 7th standard. I am 12 years old. Today we are going to discuss about in technique 2 about letter S. How to write letter S and what are the uses of letter S. Before going to start how to write letter S, I would like to spend a few minutes about last class about letter R. How to write letter R. R is also an impressive letter. We can also impress anybody with R. R is most beautiful letter. We can write in many ways, more than 2 to 3 types. We can write it more artistic, and it can be used in greeting cards and to impress anybody. R can be written in many ways, but we should see only one difference, that we should keep P and R. We should give a difference between P and R. The readers who are reading our book or a paper, our letters, they must know that is letter P and that is letter R. We should give difference between P and R, and you should follow same steps as P, but you should give a wave shaped curve at the last to the R, and for P we should write as wave shaped R, wave shaped arc. So this is last class. This is last class about R. To know more information and informative and what are the uses and what are the diseases, so please watch my previous classes. Okay. Now going to today's class, discussing about letter S. How to write letter S in technique 2, the typical individual letters. How to write letter S in cursive. How to write letter S. Yes, S is the third letter which can impress anybody. S is the third letter which can be impressed by anybody and impressing number. S is a simple letter, but we should follow some rules and regulations. With following rules and regulations, concentration and sincerity, we can write S as possible, as beautiful and as wonderful as any other letter can't be surprise. Any other letter can't be impressed. S is a surprising letter. S can be impressed by anybody. So we should learn S more and we can impress anybody. Okay. In greeting cards or anything we can write S. S is only more artistic, and more artistically also I am going to show now. Please see carefully how to write S. What is the formation of S? As usual, starting, draw a small tail on the baseline and a wave shaped forward slant, and from here you draw a small circle nod, and from here you should form a big pot shape. See, here you are getting a pot shape. Pot is not in oval shape, round shape. It will be in such shape that up one somewhat slant and down it will be in round shape. Same like that pot shape you should get, and here you should end. Your end point is this. On the baseline you should end, and on the baseline you should start. And this is S. S is so wonderful and surprising letter. So yes. Yes, how to write S in another way and more artistic. In another way, yes, we can write like this. This is yes. We can write like this also. In daily life, we can use like this also. Or if you want to write more artistic, you can write like this. S. Like this. And from here, you should bring it down. And this is yes as more artistic, and you can write this as another somewhat more artistic as like this, and in another way you can write and this. And these are the three types which we can write in artistic method. And these are, and we can say this is a symbol of music sign, and this is a symbol of music sign. It should be get as a pi symbol of music sign. In music sign, this we will call as a pi. This pi symbol like structure we should get while writing S as artistic. And coming to S as capital letter. Like this. This is one method of cursive S. Or like this also you can write S like this, and same as cursive small letter S, same as small letter S. So this can be artistically written as small letter S. How we wrote? Same like that, artistic fully in cursive capitals. So somewhat big size, we can write like that, more artistic. And yes, we can write like this. Okay. Now coming to non-cursive yes. How to write non-cursive yes? Yes. From top, from middle part top line, we should draw a C. We should draw a C, and from here we should draw a reverse C. We should draw a reverse C. Okay, this is non-cursive small yes. And now coming, this must be written from upwards to downwards only. Never you write from downwards to upwards. If you wrote from downwards to upwards, there will be defect of hair graying. There will be defect of hair graying. Here by writing from upwards to downwards, our chakras, we are having 5 chakras. We discussed in introduction class, and in previous classes we discussed about chakras. If you want to know more about chakras, you see before classes, before technique 2. Okay. If you don't know chakras, if you know chakras, please observe. If you wrote from downwards to upwards, the chakras might be disturbed and it will be affected in the other cell, and maybe hair graying, and for some members the hair will be growing more and more thick. It will by writing a small to up, it will grow more thick and thick, which we cannot control it. That much thickly the hair will be growing and the hair will be graying. So but for not doing our hair more thick and for graying, we should write from upwards to downwards only. And by writing downwards to upward, the sensitiveness will be more and more increasing by not decreasing. It will not be decreased by writing down to upwards, downwards to upwards. From upwards to downwards, when you start writing, sensitiveness will be decreased. Okay, now coming to non-cursive yes. So write yes very carefully. Yes is having more defects and more advantages it's having, more defects it's having, and it is a impressive surprising number. So please write it very nicely and learn it very nicely. Okay, coming to SA non-cursive capital, same as small letter S. How you wrote in non-cursive? Same, but size big. We should start from top layer to top zone to baseline. To write it more artistic, we can write like this. We can write like this. Okay. Coming to non-cursive, yes, if you want to write it more artistically, more and more artistic, you can write like this. You can write like this also in non-cursive, yes. Okay, but you should keep for yes and 8, you should keep some difference. Letter S and number 8, you should give some difference. that readers who are reading your book or your letters, they must know that this is 8 and this is number 8 and this is letter S. They should know the difference, and we should able to describe the difference between number 8 and letter S. So be careful that S must not be touching so much, and upwards we should get round and down we should not get round shape. We should get drop shape or pot shape. Down part we should get drop shape or pot shape. So please follow these rules and regulations and impress anybody. So this is a surprising letter. So use these impressive letters very much and you can impress anybody. So please improve your handwriting. So for in next class we are going to discuss about letter T, how to write letter T and what are the uses of letter T, what are the advantages and disadvantages of letter T. In technique 2, the typical individual letters in cursive and non-cursive handwriting in small and capital letters. So to follow and see my further classes and lessons, please